Hello, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. This is the Joie Steadi and this is the older R44 version. There is now a new R129 version out, but I thought it might still be useful for people who own the older seat for me to do a video on how to install it. Combination seats that can go rear and forward facing, like this one, have blue guides for rear facing where the seatbelt goes and red ones for forward facing. So in order to set this up for rear facing, this little bit down here, that little knobbly bit that sticks out, needs to be lined up with the blue symbol. And you do that by squeezing the lever here at the bottom and then just tilting the seat back until the blue bit is now lined up with that little bit that sticks out. Then you place the seat rear facing in the car with its base flat on the seat and its bottom touching the backrest of the car. The seat belt has to go through this slot here, and you do that by pulling out enough length, and then you pass the belt through this hole here, reach around the back, and then with your other hand grab the buckle tongue in the middle, pull it through and buckle it in. Then pull all the slack out of the lap belt by pulling the diagonal belt really tight, and then pulling the seat belt through on this side whilst holding the tension. Make sure the belt is really tight, and then you take it up here, open this clip, slide it in and push the clip down as tight as it will go. And the final step is to hook the seat belt behind this hook here, and you do that simply by sliding it behind the hook all the way in, pull it tight. And that's how you install the Joie Steadi. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.